good morning is very important.
It is, and that is our topic today. We are going to talk about our daily life, our routines.
Ah, daily routines. Yes, this is a topic everyone has. We all have a day.
Yes, we do. We all have things we do every day, morning, afternoon, and night.
It sounds very interesting.
Some people think routine is a boring word.
Maybe, but I think our routines can be very different and very interesting.
I agree, and it is perfect for English practice. We use simple words to talk about our day. But first, before we talk about our day, we have a small request.
Yes, we do. If you are listening and you like our podcast, please click the like button, a big thumbs up.
Yes, please do. And if you are new, welcome.
It helps us so much, and please share this podcast with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you. We love our listeners. Daily life. Let's start at the beginning, the morning.
Oh no, the morning.
You do not like the morning?
Emily, I am not a morning person. Not at all.
Oh, really? I am a morning person. I love the morning.
Wow. For me, the morning is very difficult. The alarm clock,
Ah, the alarm clock, yes.
I do not like that sound. Beep, beep, beep.
My alarm is music, soft music.
That is smart. My alarm is just loud. I wake up and I think, oh no, already?
And do you get up?
No, I press the snooze button.
The snooze button.
Yes. 5 more minutes.
But is it really 5 minutes?
Maybe 5 minutes. Then 5 more minutes.
Oh, Tom, so when do you really get out of bed?
When I must. When it is very late. I jump out of bed. I'm late.
That is very funny. My morning is very different.
Tell me.
I wake up early, before the sun.
Wow. Why?
I love the quiet. The house is very quiet. No cars, no noise. It is just me.
And what do you do?
The first thing, the most important thing, is coffee.
Ah, yes, coffee. Me too. I run from the bed to the coffee machine.
How do you like your coffee? I like my coffee with a little hot milk. It is very warm and nice. What about you?